What have we just wandered upon? It is a turtle. He was sleeping. He had his fins tucked in. Yeah, I got him. That was cool. Trying to find some fish. We got Madre, we got Padre, we got Cersei, Cole, Clark, Bobo, Uncle Brad, Carter. Pretty much the only people we're missing today are Reagan, Kaysen, and Cade. Trying to catch some snapper, grouper, pretty much anything. Mostly snapper though, that's the main goal. Oh wow, I was zoomed in that whole time. That's awesome. I guess y'all got a close up of my face. We're gonna drop the trolling motor and then get to fishing. Let's get after it. Ooh, there's some bait fish busting. We're rolling with one GoPro battery today because I forgot the rest of them at the hizzle. We're gonna make the most of it. Yep, there he is. Oh, the biggie? Yep. Never fails. He's not big. Sort of feels like a beeliner, but I don't think it is a beeliner. Nope, baby red.
I got him.
You got a big one?
Maybe.
As long as he's 16.
Get him.
Nah.
Hey, just flick him at the side.
The honey hole may be a little hole.
Full of babies.
Oh, there he goes. See you, bud. No cap. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, buddy. Oh! Hey, live bait. Ruby. Check it out. Ruby, Ruby, Ruby. I think that might be what's all down here. Carter got a mangrove. I got a big fish. Oh, I got a big fish. You're like a daggone freight train.
Break off.
Dadgummit, broke me off. Come on, baby. What you got, Ma?
That's something else.
That's a red, baby red. Oh, he's not too baby.
About the same size.
Yeah.
Small.
Dad got a fish. You struggling over there, Clark?
What is that?
Beeliner.
Beeliner!
Small though. Isn't it?
Nah, he's good. They only have to be 12. I mean 10. 10, my bad. He's 11. Look at that, right? Oh, don't lose him. Oh my God. Attaboy. First keeper red of the day.
Brim size.
Oh my God. Oh, it's big. It's bigger than what I've...
You gonna get it?
I don't know. It's running. I don't believe this is a snapper, my friends.
You may have a shark. Yeah, I think so.
No, it's not a shark. It might be a trigger. No, that's a daggum snapper.
Maybe a decent one.
About the same
Ah.
size. With all the rest.
Yeah, he might be. He might keep. He just might. Are you 16, sir? Because if you are... Oh, 15 and a half. See you, dude. Oh, I got something in my eyeball. Let me throw a scrimp down there and see if that changes anything. Maybe I could get a beeliner. All right, let's see if I can catch a beeliner real quick before we leave. There's the fish. Now that might be a beeliner. Please be a something I can take home. Bee! Yep.
What was that on?
Shrimp. I thought it felt like one. This joker is peeing on me. Sorry, bud. Oh yeah, he's going in the box. Oh, oh, come on. That's something big. I don't believe that's a beeliner. Oh, it might be. Might be a big bee. That's a mang, baby. Oh yeah. Oh gosh. No, no, no. Look at that go. What you got?
This is a king mackerel or something. Something long.
I'll eat him too.
I know you will.
He tastes like cobia. It is a daggum shark sucker. That might be another mangrove. That's not a mangrove. Dad.
Here. Hold on.
Oh, what do I have? What do I have? What is this? Snapper. It's red. It's a red snapper. Not big enough. but it's a red snapper. God, I missed him. Dadgummit. Got him. That's a... No. Oh, yeah. Got him that time, son. Sucker. That might be a red. That's a red. That's either a red or a mangrove. That's not a beeliner. If it is a beeliner, I might have just hung the state record. I believe that is a double up. One beeliner, one red. I don't know if the beeliner's gonna make the cut. I know the red snapper's not. He's 10. He's 10 and a half. He's going in the box. All right, I'll drop one more for beeliner and then I'm ready for whatever. If y'all wanna go. Got him. B.O.B. Oh, oh, what is that coming after it? Look, look, remora. Watch, he's gonna eat it. Oh, no.
He just went away.
I bet I could get him to eat right here. Look, look. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Got him. There he is. Oh my. Bada bing, bada boom. Well, that's gonna be the last fish for this spot. Now we're fixing to go to a big red snapper spot. See you in just a second. Big problem. I got a big fish on a white trout rod. Oh, if I get this up, this will be amazing. Come on, buddy. Play nice. This ain't good. I don't know, he's sort of running like a king, but now he's running up. What is going on? Hey, this might be a king for real. I don't know. I don't think it's a snapper. Oh, bonita. Big old bonita. Here, get the gaff. We're gonna eat this booger. Oh, okay. Let me go right here. Oh Lord! I think he just got eaten. I think he just got eaten. Oh my gosh! Oh, he's coming up. I thought he got off.
They're gonna bleed like nobody's business.
I'm making sushi.
Out of bonita?
Yeah. It's just a tuna.
Sucky, dude.
Wow. I've never had a bonita eat a bait off the bottom before.
That's a tuna. Yellowfin.
Yellowfin on a white trout rod. He's got to be getting close. I think the water's dirtier over here.
Probably is.
Oh, there he is. And this is when you see that big old shark come up. That's a big boy. Got him!
Look out. I'll throw him in there.
Son of a gun, I don't want to get dead. There he is. He was barely hooked. Dang, you got him good. Nuh-uh. Whew. That was fun. Got 1% battery left, guys, so don't know how much you're going to see of this. Oh, yeah. He's 16. Heck yeah. Oh, good job, mama. This one's definitely 16. I don't even really have to measure him. Not no good. The GoPro has officially died. Finally, a snapper caught by the one, the only, Allison Clark. Sort of got part of it on video, I think, but not all of it. They're biting, they're just not very big. We got bonita. We got a red snapper, remora, beeliners, and a mangrove somewhere down there. So let's get back to fishing and see what we got. Uncle Brad with the world record oyster fish. Look at that big beauty. Uncle Brad, what you gonna name that one?
Fred.
it. Fred. Come on, Cersei. I just caught a snapper. Probably legal, maybe. Come on. Oh my goodness. What you got, bro? Oh yeah.
Whale. Get the dang giant. Oh my gosh, you're terrible.
Cole's fired.
Yeah, well, just kidding.
Nice, Mondo.
We only have to catch 10.
Nice. A lane. That just caught a lane.
Here, don't be filming me.
He's definitely legal. They only got to be like 10. Let's see how long he is, just for YouTube's sake. He is be over 13, which means he's going in the cooler. Dad's already on another one. Do you need the net? Yeah. Yeah, you got mom. Oh, that's definitely a keeper. Well, I can't really get the hook sets, guys, because my GoPro's dead, and that's sort of what the GoPro's for. So we're just sort of taking it as she comes, and I think we might have another keeper here. We're fixing to get out here because it's gotten significantly rougher since we got out here. Oh yeah. I say she's 16. Oh, let's check her out. Oh yeah, at least 18. Check out that box. Snapper! Okie dokie, well, we're gonna get out of here. It's getting rough. Oh, we've got enough fish for a meal or two, so we're not gonna catch any more. Plus, it's just time to go. So I'll see you back on shore when we start cleaning these boogers.